Okay, this is going to be the third and final video of the binomial part, binomial theorem of the sequence series unit. Okay, so what I want to do is just start with stuff like this. I would like to work on just practicing. Okay, so I'd like you to pause your video and use either Pascal, but preferably the combinations, permutations to expand this. So go ahead and pause, and when you're done, then unpause. Okay. All right, so what we have here is we know that it's C60, okay? All right, this will be the X6 term, all right? I know this will be C60, all right? 3, come on, 40. All right, 3x to the 6th. Negative 2y to the first, then C, 6 choose 1, 3x to the 5th, negative 2y squared. Then I got C, 6 choose 2, 3x to the 4th, negative 2y to the 3rd. Then I got C, 6 choose 3, 3x to the 3rd, negative 2y to the 4th, I'm sorry, to the 3rd. Not right. 6, 0. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. All right. Then I got C, 6 choose 4, 3x squared, negative 2 to the 4th. Then 6 choose 5. Okay. 3x, 1, negative 2y to the 5th, and then it's C, 6 choose 6, 3x to the 0, negative 2y to the 6th, okay? All right, so as a reminder, okay, option, scroll, prob, okay? So I would do 6 choose 0 times parentheses 3 to the 6th times negative 2 to the 0. So I got 729 x6. There's no y there. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to do 6 choose 1. All right. So 6 choose 1 times 3 to the 5th times negative 2 to the 1st. All right, so it's negative 2916, x5, y1. Okay, and I'm on to this one. All right, 6 choose 2 times 3 to the 4th times negative 2 to the 4th, negative 2 squared. I got 4860, x4, y2. Okay, now I'm down to this one. So I'm doing 6 choose 3 times 3 to the 3rd times negative 2 to the 3rd. Negative 4, 3, 2, 0, x3, y3. Okay, then 6 choose 4 times 3 squared times negative 2 to the 4th, 2160, x2, y4. All right, then I got 6 choose 5 times 3 to the 1st times negative 2 to the 5th, negative 576, x1, y5. All right, and then the last one here is, I don't need this part because it's a 0, okay? So I got 6 choose 6, all right, times negative 2 to the 6th power, 64, y to the 6th, okay? So I hope you got that, were successful on that first attempt. Okay, let's go to the second one. All right, I would like you to pause your video and go ahead and come up with this. All right. So I'm going to start with 7 choose 0 of 5x to the 7th, 3 to the 0. And I'm going to go C, 7 choose 1, 5x to the 6th, 3 to the 1st. Then 7 choose 2, 5x to the 5th, 3 to the 2nd. Then 7 choose 3, 5x to the 4th, 3 to the 3rd. Then 7 choose 4, 5x to the 3rd, 3 to the 4th. Then 7 choose 5, 5x squared, 3 to the 5th. Then 7 choose 6, 5x to the 1st, 3 to the 6th. Then 7 choose 7, 5x to the 0, 3 to the 7th. Okay, so that's what that would look like expanded out. Okay, so now all I got to do is do the calculations. All right, 7 choose 0 times 5 to the 7th. I don't even need this. So that's going to be 78125. All right, x to the 7th. Okay. Then I got 7 choose 1 times 5 to the 6th times 3 to the 1st. All right, I get 328,125 x to the 6th. Okay. All right. Then I got 7 choose 2 times 5 to the 5th times 3 squared. All right, 590,625 x5. That's what's convenient about these ones that have the number there. You don't have to figure out the second. It's only that part squared, all right, or that part without the exponent. 7 choose 3. Whoops, it's a permutation. 7 choose 3 times 5 to the 4th. Those parentheses don't want to work that time. 5 to the 4th times 3 to the 3rd. All right, another 590,625. All right, x to the 4th. All right, and then 7 choose 4. Just a battle of calculator skills. 4 to the 3rd times 3 to the 4th. All right, 354,375 x cubed. Okay. All right. Then 7 choose 5 times 5 to the 2nd times 3 to the 5th. 127,575 x squared. Then 7 choose 6 times 5 to the 1st times 3 to the 6th. All right, 25,515 x to the 1st. Okay, this one I don't really need this, so I just need 7 choose 7. All right, times 3 to the 7th. All right, 2187. Okay, and so that's the expansion of that term. Okay, now let's move on to something else. So there's some practice. You can use Pascal if you wanted to use that, but that's the combination. So, all right, what is the coefficient of the x cubed y 7th term? Okay, now you don't have to do all the stuff. Okay, so watch. I know the first one's going to be x10 y0. Okay, second one will be x9 y1, x8 y2, x7 y3, x6 y4, x5 y3, x4 y2, x3, I'm sorry, that should have been y5, y6, sorry, and then y7. Okay, now, so this is the term that I want. All right, that's the term that I want right here. Okay, all right. So the idea is, remember, this is 10, choose 0, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7. Okay, now, one little thing you might notice, and this might help you in the future problems. Whatever the exponent is of the second is what the choose number is for that. So if I'm trying to find the y7, that one to the 7th power, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be at 10 choose 7. So what I got is I got 10 choose 7. All right. I just got 3x to the third. This is a 1 here, so 1y to the 7th. Okay. So very simply, all I got to do is find this 1. All right. So 10 choose 7 times 3 to the third times 1 to the 7th. So my coefficient would be 3240. All right. So all I need is the 3240. That's it. Okay. Now, like I said, if you want to see that pattern there, all right, that can dramatically help you skip ahead. All right. So, all right, look at this one. All right. So I know that I am going to be in a, I'm going to show you the two ways. I know I'm going to be in the 5 choose 2. All right. And then very simply, since I'm doing third and squared, I have 2x, I have -4. All right. Really don't need to do a whole lot there. I'll show you the other way too. So just so for people that want to see the pattern. All right. 2 to the third times -4 squared. That's 1280 x3y squared. So 1280 is the coefficient. Once again, if you wanted to figure that out for whatever reason, it starts out at 50, then 51, then 52, then 53, then 54, and then 55. Okay? This would start out x5, y0, x4, y1, x3, y2. And that's the same thing we used. So that's a little bit of a shortcut. Okay? All right? A little bit of a shortcut there. All right? Find the coefficient of the a to the b fourth term out of this. So what I know is, because it's b to the 4, then I'm going to be in the c5 choose 4 area, where I've got 1a to the first, -6b to the 4th. All right? And so, very simply, all right, 5c4 times 1 to the first times -6 to the 4th. So got 6480, a1, b4, and that's the only part they're looking for. So you can use that concept, that pattern. If you needed to see this again, it's going to start out as a5b0, a4b1, a3b2, a2b3, a1b4. That's where I'm trying to get to, right? So this is going to be c50, c51, c52, c53, and c54. As you can see, I can get there pretty quickly, all right, by understanding the pattern. Okay? All right, so what I'd like you guys to do is go ahead and pause your video and go ahead and do this one. All right. All right. Once again, I don't need to write all that out. I know that I'm going to be doing a 12 choose 3. Okay, because that's the third exponent. Okay. All right. So what I'll have here is 2x to the 9th, 5y to the 3rd. Okay. So pretty simply, all right, 12 choose 3 times 2 to the 9th times 5 to the 3rd. Okay, real big number. 14080, 1408, and then 4 zeros. But I don't know, this is all I need. Okay? All right? And then here's the last one that I would like you to do. Given 7x minus 3y to the 9th, what is the coefficient of the, let's say, x5, y4? Okay, go ahead and pause your video and go ahead and complete that. Okay, so once again, because I'm at x5, y4, I know that I would be C9, 4, all right? All right, so very simply, this goes into 7x. Very simply, this goes into -3. Okay, so I got 9 choose 4 times 7 to the 5th times -3 to the 4th. Okay, another really big number, 1715, 322, 42. X5, Y4, okay? All I need is that, okay? So that is the binomial theorem, whether you're using Pascal's or whether you're using the combinations. There's a lot of calculator work, just so make sure you watch yourself from making any silly mistakes.